Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So about a week or two ago I did an unboxing from the Positive package, and I did say that they had a candy subscription. So I went ahead and ordered one because it's supposed to be candy from a different Landy, I think is what they called it. So I'm excited to see what kind of treats came in here since it's supposed to be from around the world. And they had a really nice presentation with the regular box, all these cute little clips. So we're going to go over that. I love these. They're the cutest thing ever. These are their Positive pegs. So it says you'll see a bunch of those in there. They give you some little note cards. That way you can leave little positive notes for people. I think it's a cute idea. Ooh. Little confetti pieces too. So that's what it says on the back, and then they're blank, so you can leave people little messages and you can clip them. Just a cute idea. I like that. Day 1 of diet. Removed all the unhealthy food from the house. It was delicious. That's hilarious. Enjoy and thanks for your support. Very cute. So let's see if I can easily undo this. There we go. When people ask what's more important, food or love, I don't answer because I'm eating. That's funny. Enjoy your candy from another Landy, New Zealand, where fish are chocolate and pineapples are lumps. Cool. That's awesome. So these are from New Zealand. Oh my gosh. Together is a wonderful place to be. That's adorable. So cute. So I know nothing about New Zealand, and I'm not seeing anything that's familiar, so this should be interesting. But this is by Cadbury. Original chocolate fish. Chocolate covered marshmallow fish. Oh my goodness. I'm excited for that. I love marshmallows, and so is Jackson, so he's in bed right now, or else I would be having him unbox this with me. This is Planet Candy Party Mix. Looks like little gummies. Love gummies as well. Yep, made in New Zealand. Love it. Then we have, this is a white chocolate bar. Another Cadbury. This is a crunchy Golden Hokey Pokey honeycomb covered in Cadbury milk chocolate. So there's 2 of those. Then we have Nelson pear and Manuka honey. Maybe I said that correct. Wow, that looks good too. I feel like you can't go wrong with a food box. Now, I think I've heard of this. I feel like I've seen people taste that. Oh, maybe I'm thinking Vegemite. I'm probably thinking of that. So what is this supposed to taste like? Bagel? Oh, we gotta open this. We're gonna open this. So here's what it looks like. It's just little bagel chips. They're nice and crunchy. It has an interesting flavor. I don't hate it. Kind of tastes like, reminds me of like fish oil and like soy sauce. It's an interesting flavor. Pretty cool. Also have blackberry. This is also by Whitaker's. Oh, toffee. Okay, I was about to say it's kind of hard. I thought it was going to be chewy, but so it's blackberry toffee. That's pretty cool. Unique. Here's another one of those white chocolate bars. Big mint refreshments. Oh yeah, those are actually big. I'll say they look like Mentos, but they're actually about the size of a quarter. So that's perfect. I love mints. This I'm excited for. Pineapple lumps with real fruit juice. I guess it's just chocolate covered pineapple. Definitely gonna open that as well. I think that's an amazing idea. I love pineapple. So just little squares. This is absolutely delicious. I thought it was going to be actual pineapple. It's more like a taffy, like a Laffy Taffy type thing. Actually, if you've ever buy the box of chocolates like around Valentine's Day, there's one in there in most boxes that are like this, but it's like a cherry flavor. So that's exactly what this is, but it's pineapple. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Delicious. Then there's also a dark chocolate bar. Yum, yum. So that is what I got. I wonder what the next box will be. I'm not sure if there's a preview, but I think I might get a couple more of these because I do like them. And I think this is fun. This is all stuff I've never heard of before or tried, so I love that. So cool. So if you're interested, I'll put a link below. I'll put the pricing and all the details and all that in the description box. But got pretty much stuff in here. Most of it was candy, but then we did get some snacks, but a good variety. Chocolate, chewy stuff. So that is what I got in my Candy from Another Landy subscription box. If you guys are interested, I'll have all the information below. So thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.